Hi, my name is Anindya and welcome to my channel that is Business Data Analytics. This is my first video on SAS that is Statistical Analysis System. It is a powerful data analytical tool developed by SAS Institute and it is used for data analytics. As this is an introductory video to SAS, I would briefly cover the following points. What is data analytics? Data analytical tools. What is SAS? SAS used in various industries, different versions of SAS with their release date, and at the end, SAS installation so that we can use it for our learning and practice purpose. With this, let's see what is data analytics. Data analytics, it is a science of analyzing a piece of raw data. As I mentioned, SAS is a data analytical tool and we use it for data analytics. Now let's see the application of it. Let's say there is a telecom company and it is having some data with respect to their customer complaints. So, in order to understand what are the complaints the customers are coming with, we need to analyze the data, isn't it? So, in this scenario, we would use data analytics. And after analyzing the data, the insights and recommendations that we would get out of that data can be used by the organization to improve those areas so that they can better serve to their customers and which in turn gonna increase the customer satisfaction. So there are various approaches to do this data analytics by using SAS. The first one is descriptive analytics. This tells that what happened and it would summarize and describe the features of a dataset. And the second one is diagnostic analytics. These analytics would investigate the reason and find out why something happened. And the third one is predictive analytics. This analytics is going to tell that what is going to happen in future and it would predict a future event basis on the historical data. And the last one is prescriptive analytics. This tells that what should be done next and it would recommend the actions based on the data insights that was found out of the data. So based on the data, we have to choose which kind of analytics is required on that. Moving on to now, let's know what are the various tools we have in the market by using which we can perform data analytics. And also let's understand why does SAS stand out among all of these analytical tools. SAS stands out among all of these analytical tools because it has got large handling capabilities and it really makes accessible even to a new user who is having basic knowledge on SQL. With this SQL knowledge, most of the SAS syntax can be covered, and obviously a little bit of UI features and its syntax. Wherein tools like R and Python requires a learning curve as these are the open source tools and it has got more complex syntax. Now with this, SAS is a statistical analysis system and it is one of the leaders in the analytical market. By using SAS, we can do descriptive and advanced analytics. Descriptive analytics creates a story on a given data. It is like, the basic statistics like mean, mode, median, which we also call as central tendency. And it would describe a data that is called as descriptive analytics. Moving to advanced analytics, these analytics uses data science, machine learning. Those are apart from the basic analytics. Basic analytics can be generated using various business intelligence tools like Tableau and Power BI. These are the tools we use to ingest the business data and create graphs, reports, and dashboards on them, which is helpful to provide the insights. SAS is used in the industries like healthcare, finance, and retail, as these industries really deal with huge data. Apart from that, SAS also has the capabilities of including AI and machine learning in it. It is also used in the industries like manufacture and hospitality. SAS had many releases The first version was 72 and that was released in January 1972. Similarly, there is this version 9.1 and this was released in December 2003. And the last point, that is SAS installation. Like any other tool, even in SAS, we can purchase license for the commercial purpose. And it also has got the free trial version of it. So when we buy a license from SAS Institute, we would receive a mail that is called as SOE, Software Order Email. And this email would contain the information like order number and installation key. Using these two details, we can install SAS into a system. SAS is used in large companies and organizations because it offers the dedicated support as we are paying for it. But in the case of free version of any software, it doesn't happen. Typically, in a free trial version of any software, what happens is they would have temporary access to their tool, isn't it? And that would be for a certain time period. Similarly, SAS also has got its free trial, which is for 14 days to their system. However, what has happened is lately SAS has introduced SAS on demand for academics, and it is a cloud based SAS studio and it doesn't have any expiration date as such. So anyone can use it for learning and practice purpose. And prior to this release of SAS on demand for academics, we used to have SAS University Edition for learning and practice purpose. However, this is no longer existing and it is replaced by SAS on demand for academics. Definitely, we need this SAS on demand for academics for our practice purpose. But in this video, I'm not covering how to install this SAS on demand for academics because this is going to be a long video. Hence, I would cover this in my next video. Thank you all for watching. I'll come up soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye.